Hey guys, so welcome back to another Queen Phone video. Do I have some really good exclusive news for you? So today we are going to be leaking the release date finally of the new LG Stylo 4 for Boost Mobile. Now this isn't the LG Stylo 4 Plus, the one that I leaked yesterday thanks to Miss Paola. If you haven't checked that video out, I'll leave it in the description below so you can watch it. But basically we're getting an LG Stylo 4 and an LG Stylo 4 Plus, which the Plus is just going to be the beefed up version of it. But a lot of people have been asking me, yo, Dragonic, what's up with the LG Stylo 4? I mean, I've been hearing this for like a month, guys. So finally your boy got this info. I'm about to leak it for you guys. So yeah, and also leak the price, the release date, and the specs. Most people already know the specs, but they don't know the price, the official price for Boost Mobile, at least on their website or in store. I got that info right now. So let's get into it, guys, and see what's up. So here I got my handy dandy, iPhone or whatever. So I got all the info here on it. So it says LG Stylo 4. So I'm gonna read it from my phone, so I can't be sharing this kind of stuff, or that man. I will spoil the information, but not the images and stuff because this is the plug stuff right here. So the new LG Stylo 4 will blow your mind with its amazing edge-to-edge screen. I don't know about that. Face recognition, what? Fingerprint reader, and many other incredible features. Didn't even know this thing had face recognition. So like I said, I do have the unlocked variant. This is the Best Buy variant, but this is the LG Stylo 4. As you can see, it does work on Boost Mobile. Like I said, I do have it on Simple Mobile right now, just testing out the T-Mobile network and all that stuff. But let's get to it, guys. And many other incredible features. A top-notch phone at a very low price of, drumroll, everybody, what do you think? Before I even spoil this price, what do you think? You might be saying, man, Dragonic, you already said it's gonna be $129.99 at Walmart. I remember you leaked it a while ago. Yeah, I did, but remember that's Walmart prices. Now we're talking about Boost Mobile prices, guys, and you already know Boost Mobile always has a little bit more expensive prices. Yeah, so let's get to it, guys. Let me spoil it here for you. So it says and it's funny too how it says a top-notch phone at a very low price of only $199.99. So $200 for this phone, guys. Well, you can get it at Walmart for $130. Now, many Walmarts don't have it around town, but remember, let's wait till we get to the release date. So $200. You might be saying, "Wow, Dragon, $200, man, you crazy, bro." Yeah, but hold up. It says only $149.99 for eligible new porting customers. So if you're saying, hey, you want to port your number over to us, we'll knock $50 off that phone, So the phone costs $200 from Boost Mobile. If you get it from Boost Mobile, either the website or most likely the store as well. Now, hey, you port in at a store, $150. Now you might be saying, wow, so they must have bumped up the specs for this. Man, hold up, guys. And I know a lot of you haters out there, not kidding, a lot of you people out there are going to be like, man, Dragonic, why would I get this for $150 porting in? I can port my number over to Metro. Yeah, you could, but I mean, I don't know. That one has 2 gigs of RAM, which basically, I don't know, guys. Like I said, if you wanted the beefed up version, get the unlocked variant, which is this one. But we're getting off topic too much. Like I said, I do know, guys. A lot of you gonna put it in the comments, man. You can get the Metro PCS for $30 or $80 or whatever it is. Yeah, you can. But let's get to it. So it says. So you might be saying, okay. Spill the beans. When is the release date gonna be? Remember when I said mid-August when your boy leaked it? I didn't even know, but I guess I did a strong guess of I'm pretty sure early August. Got some news and stuff. Yep, beginning August 13, 2018, guys. So 14 days away, 2 weeks from the making of this video, this phone will release. It says beginning August 13, 2018, for us, Boost Mobile Store should be getting. Depends when they place your order, but that's when this phone's gonna start rolling out. So there you go, 2 things right there. $200 this phone's gonna cost. You do a port in, you get $50. You get it for $150, and it's gonna release the 13th. So I know a lot of people are gonna go like, oh my god, finally we know when it's gonna release it. Yes, guys. So hopefully, like I said, that's roughly around the same time that I did news on from Walmart. They said that about early August, around the 5th or that first kind of week or two, you know. So most likely that's when it'll come out to Walmart as well. I know some people already got this phone, and you know, unboxed and reviewed it and stuff. But let's see what the features are, even though some people know. But these are the official Boost Mobile features and specs and all that stuff. So 6.2-inch Full HD plus display with embedded stylus, 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor, which we already know is probably going to be MediaTek. 3,300 milliamp battery, 4G LTE/LTE plus with 2 times 20 carrier aggregation. I can never say that word. With HPUE, 32 gigabytes of ROM. So yes, it will have 32 gigabytes of internal storage. A lot of people are like, oh my god, Boost Mobile's gonna get the watered down version, and 16. Nah, man, we got the 32 gigs. And 2 gigabytes of RAM. So yeah, 2 gigabytes RAM, same thing as the Metro PCS version. To get the 3 gigs of RAM version, you either have to get the unlocked version, like I said, like this one from either Best Buy or Amazon, or you have to get the Cricket version. 13 megapixel rear facing camera with wide angle, 5 megapixel front facing, so same specs. Android 8.1 Oreo fingerprint sensor, which of course is in the bag. So you can see the fingerprint sensor is right there. So it does have fingerprint sensor. Mexico roaming capable, Boost Mobile plan required, so you have to have the Boost Mobile plan that gives you Mexico roaming. Voice roaming capable and mobile hotspot capable. So those are the specs and official price. You already know, first come, first serve. Not kidding. News to you guys all the time, so it's pretty cool. Hopefully you did enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Are you willing to pay $200 for the Boost Mobile version? Like I said, I would personally try to pick it up at Walmart for $130. Saves you a lot of money. Doesn't even matter if you're pouring in or anything. You just pick it up. It's the same specs, guys. And honestly, I'm gonna do my review on the Stylo and everything, but I don't know, guys. I'm more excited for the LG Stylo 4 Plus. Honestly, that one's gonna have the beefed up specs. It's gonna have quick charging. From what I see, this Boost Mobile version doesn't even have quick charging. And I'm telling you, quick charging helps a lot. But yeah, I don't know, man. I think, you know, the LG Stylo 4 probably took an L on this one, honestly. At least for the price. Now, if you get the $130 version, okay, I can see that being $130, or even with a port in, picking it up for $100 or $80, I could see that, you know. But $200, I don't know. I don't even know about $300 on the locked version. Now I'll make a separate video talking about that, guys. So I don't know. Well, let me know in the comments below what you think. You know, I always read these comments. So are you gonna wait for it? Like I said, it's 2 weeks away from today, basically, when this phone will be released, and there's a set price. Unless Boost Mobile just says, man, you know, Dragonic, we saw your video, man, $200 is too much. We're gonna drop it down to $130 to compete with Walmart, which I highly doubt. So, but there you go, guys. Hopefully you liked it. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Check out netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T mobile hotspot, no throttle, no data caps. It's only $60 a month if you use my promo code Sanchez 45973. Everything in the description below. You will get $10 off your first month of service, so check that out. And I'll also leave some other promo codes where you can get bibs and everything right here. So this is pretty cool. They just sent my son this, so he's a model now, guys. So let me know in the comments below if you like this. This is La Romy, made in the UK. So as you can see, there's her info. She's not paying me anything for this, but it's pretty cool. So let's see. There you go. So there you go, guys. Pretty cool. So she makes custom bibs and everything. Very soft material. So check that out, guys. Like I said, you know, I'm just giving her a shout out. If you go to the website, I'll link all the description below. Use Logan10 to get like I think 10% off your first purchase and other purchases from there on. Like I said, a lot of cool bibs. So let me know. Please comment, rate, subscribe, guys. Dragonic Warfare sign off. If you'd like to donate to the channel to help support and grow it, you can in the description below. All that cool stuff. For more leaked information, stay tuned. You're in the right spot. Just hit that subscribe button and bell notification so you guys will know when I live stream or do giveaways and leak more information just for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you.